Good day, everyone. This is Rich. In today's video, I am going to discuss a recent purchase from Target.com and what happened and what the end result was. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. So on May 16th, I ordered these two select mega boxes of Premier Soccer and 60 cards. You know, this was $60 per box. And I want to show you how I received them on yesterday, basically. You can see the dent in this one here and the dent in this one here. The front face is okay for the most part. It feels a little bulgy, but definitely banged up. The cards are probably fine. So I was like, okay, I can deal with that. It's sealed. Okay, enter exhibit 2. Let's get into this one. This one is severely banged up. Look at the hump on that thing, bent inside, bent on this side. And let's look at this right here. It's open, cracked, open, sealed, everything. And then on the back here, you can see it's not open, but it's cracked and looks like it was peeled off. So it's almost like this was damaged ahead of time. I did order 2 optic basketball boxes with this, and they were completely fine. The box that these 4 boxes came in was completely fine, sealed, no dents or anything like that. We've all seen those boxes where they come really banged up. So I called Target and I said, hey, I received these boxes and I like to keep sealed wax for the long term. I know it's just a mega box, it's not like super crazy, but it's a $60 box. And I said, I would like to return these, and you know, there could be a 101 in here, who knows? But I said, I want to return these and get new ones. And she's like, okay, no problem. Just take them to the store and return them, and you can order new ones online. Fortunately, there's plenty of them available, probably because we're overprinting on most of these products. But then I look closer at my receipt, and it says the expiration date for returning has expired. And I said, well, I just ordered May 16th, and it's only been 4 days. Pretty good turnaround, but I can't return them. And she's like, no, sorry, you can't return them. I'm like, really? I have a dent, not to mention open box, damaged goods. So what am I supposed to do? This is, you know, in this world, or in the sports card world, sealed is everything. And no one's going to want this box. If I were to sell it or do it, I think they know that people are reselling the boxes. They have so much inventory that they're making sure no one resells them. You know, my optic boxes were fine, but they were a much cheaper product. This is $60. So end result, after frustratingly talking to this person who hardly spoke much English, I didn't yell at them or anything. I knew she's just doing her job. She had to talk to her supervisor like 3 times. They only gave me 10% off. And I'm keeping the boxes. There's nothing I can do. I'll probably rip this one. The other one's sealed. And I'm okay with damaged products and taking it back. It just happens. I mean, that's just part of the shipping game we're in this world now, because everything is shipped. I hardly ever go to the store for anything other than groceries. And I've had to return stuff because I've had broken boxes, or you know, something was open or not working properly. But this is crazy, because this is the stuff you want sealed completely and making sure it's sealed. They can take it back, send it back to Panini. Panini can rewrap it, resell it, and it'll be just good as new. And pretty much really no stocking fee there, because they have probably 1 million of these boxes. So I wanted to see if anyone else out there is receiving boxes, whether it's select megas from, you know, Premier, or if it's anything with some cracked action. You know, some products that are not sealed or, you know, damaged, and if you're able to return them, and what kind of success rate you've had. So I got like $12 back on the boxes, and it's just frustrating. I mean, I know it's a little bit of money in my pocket, but I like to keep sealed, and this one I can't keep, so I got to crack it, and so be it. So again, that was just a quick video of what's happening with a Target Mega Box ordered on May 16th. And let me know if anyone else is having a situation like this in the past, whether it's whatever box it could be. I don't know if it, you know, from Target, Walmart, doesn't matter. I'm open to hearing what you have to say. You guys have a good one, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video, and we'll talk soon.